There are many soldering station products available to choose from, each with different features, benefits, and prices. I have done extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best soldering stations from reputable brands to help you make an informed decision. After a lot of research, I found these products to be the best for you. If you want to know about the price and other information, please remember to check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Seacone Soldering Station. Rating 4.4. 60W soldering station with a high-end precision PID program, flexibly adjusted between 392 degrees Fahrenheit and 896 degrees Fahrenheit. It heats up quickly and evenly and keeps the tip at a constant temperature while using. The soldering iron kit's temperature compensation mode allows users to calibrate the temperature themselves, ensuring that the iron is not affected by temperature changes and improving efficiency. If idle for 10 minutes, the soldering iron automatically enters sleep mode to reduce wear and tear. The welding station has only 3 function buttons and 1 on-off button, and the intuitive control system is easy to operate. It is ideal for professional soldering, industrial and manufacturing, school labs, home use, electronic DIY and repair, etc. Number 4. Bacon Soldering Iron Kit. Rating 4.4. Bacon Soldering Iron Station uses a high-power ceramic heating core paired with a rapid heat system to reach the melting point of 662 degrees Fahrenheit in just 10 seconds. Fast heating up, no long heating process before using. You can set your desired temperature from 180 degrees C, 480 degrees C, 356 degree F, 896 F degree. With the high-end precision PID program, the soldering kit for electronics can monitor and correct the actual temperatures at high speed to provide the accuracy that your projects ask for. The professional soldering iron kit is equipped with a large LCD display with a beautiful interface that can clearly show the precise temperature without any visual pressure and is easy to see with aging eyes. Number 3. Original Soldering Iron Station. Rating 4.5. Smart Soldering Iron TS101 uses DC and PD dual power input. The power range of the popular DC 5525 interface has been extended to DC 9-24V, 65W max. The PD power port is compatible with the PD 22445W max adapter/power bank. It's more convenient for both home repair and field repair. This mini portable soldering iron heats up in seconds, and the newly added Boost heating function can quickly heat up in a short time to meet the welding needs of special scenes. The temperature is displayed on the OLED screen, which can be accurately and easily adjusted from 122 degrees Fahrenheit to 752 degrees Fahrenheit, 50 degrees Celsius to 400 degrees Celsius. Number 2. WP927 Soldering Station. Rating 4.5. This soldering iron kit's 110W heating element allows the soldering iron to heat up fast. You can set your desired temperature from 90 degrees C, 480 degrees C, 194 degree F, 896 F degree. Precise double numerical display presents the set temperature and actual temperature at the same time for you to monitor real-time temperature changes. 3 preset channels save you the hassle of repeated temperature configurations. You can save your usual temperature settings and press one button to toggle between channels. Sleep mode allows the soldering station to rest at low temperatures when not in use for an extended period, thus reducing wear on the soldering iron and prolonging the lifespan of the soldering station. You can set the timer from 0 to 99 minutes. Number 1. YHUA Soldering Station. Rating 4.6. The YHUA 939D Plus soldering system is made for those who solder regularly. It's so reliable that even industrial-level factories use this soldering station for over 10 hours every day for manufacturing. This station comes with high-power performance, flexible temperature from 392 degrees Fahrenheit to 896 degrees Fahrenheit, faster heating up, enhanced temperature stabilization, and enhanced performance. The system's exclusive intelligence temperature control program monitors and compensates in 20 milliseconds to keep the temp. stabilized, and give you a consistent soldering experience. This is ideal for professional soldering, industrial and manufacturing, precision electronics, school labs, household and hobby uses, electronic DIYs and repair, etc. Ending here for today. Every day I will make different good product videos to help you. So subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the price of the product, see my description for any kind of problem. Please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier and more beautiful.